At FC Barcelona's rising home, Spotify Camp Nou, another powerful week of transformation is unfolding. From fully enclosed elevator cores to expanding glass facades at the north goal, the stadium's new identity is becoming clearer day by day. Concrete slabs are being poured, steel structures reinforced, and facade systems aligned with precision across every major zone. This isn't just construction progress. It's the steady rebirth of an icon in the heart of Barcelona. Let's get started. In the tribune zone, concrete panels have now been fully installed at the base of the elevator cores, giving this section a more complete structural look. Crews remain active on elevated platforms around the beam structures, while chrome tubes are positioned and ready for upcoming installation. At the store-side corner, groundwork is complete and the front section has been fully leveled. However, the upper entrance glazing has not yet been installed, so visually this area remains largely the same from the outside, despite ongoing interior activity. Activity increases at the south goal, where new structural pieces have been lifted into place. Blue safety nets are now being secured beneath the raker beams, clearly preparing the area for prefabricated seating installation. Slat supports on one side are still incomplete, but overall preparation work is advancing. Near the south goal corner, tension cables are being installed across the slat supports as workers tighten anchor points and finalize connections. With cranes positioned nearby and detailing work progressing, this section appears close to the next phase of facade slat installation. The elevator core in the lateral section has reached a major milestone, with sandwich panels now installed up to the top, leaving only the planned openings visible. The structure looks far more complete and enclosed. On the right side, crews continue installing additional panels using a blue elevated platform, while upper VIP levels remain active with ongoing facade detailing. Preparation around the compression ring continues steadily. A relocated phalange segment near the north goal corner signals the next stage of assembly. Cranes and large structural elements are strategically positioned, indicating readiness for upcoming lifting operations. Concrete progress is clearly visible. In the upper section, slab pouring is actively underway where reinforcement mesh was previously installed. At ground level, newly recast concrete surfaces create a clean, continuous base, with finishing works refining edges and nearby zones prepared for further pours. At the north goal corner, glazing installation has advanced significantly, with multiple glass panels now in place across the central facade, giving the area a more complete and modern look. Insulation layers remain visible in select sections as crews work on slat supports and structural connections. A drilling machine is actively operating on the floor. Workers are cutting and preparing the concrete surface, likely aligning it for facade integration and final structural adjustments. Elevated platforms and welding activity above show that facade and slab works are progressing simultaneously. At the adjacent corner, a new horizontal level of steel tubes is being installed to reinforce the facade support system. Crews are measuring beams, securing support unions, and preparing slat connections as this section moves closer to full facade integration. Each active zone is advancing steadily, setting the stage for the next visible transformation at Spotify Camp Nou. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for daily Spotify Camp Nou updates.